Hi, Lakewood Tigers. Good to see you again. Hope you're enjoying snowy April. This is just craziness. Either spring doesn't know when to end or summer is just lazy. I don't know. Anyways, this lecture is going to cover you for 3 class periods. Okay, we're going to talk about how to excavate the geometry house and put in the foundation for the house. And so on Tuesday, Thursday, your assignment is going to be this blue page that you'll get off of my post for the assignment. And what you do is you find the height of each corner, just like the other excavation assignment, and then you add those 4 corners together and get an average height. Okay, that's Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So this is our first day of this week. Then Wednesday or Thursday, Friday is you're going to do the same thing for this sheet. Okay, so again, it's the 4 heights and then add them together and find the average for the square. And this doesn't say it, but on the very corner right here, it should be 110 feet because it's just like the site plan was in the blueprints. Okay, so don't forget, that's 110 right there. The rest, you just estimate the heights, add the 4 together, and then that's Thursday, Friday. Then Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, you're going to put that information into this table. Okay, turns out this is the site plan. This is the site plan with the geometry house on it. Okay, so this is what you call existing, right? Which you will see in this column right here in the first column, second column right there. Average existing elevation, and then average proposed. This is the proposed height because this is the way we want the site to look when we're done. Okay, so blue sheet average heights goes in this column. Yellow sheet average heights goes in this column. In here, you find the difference between the two. See, it's existing minus proposed. Find that difference, and then you multiply it times the area of that square. Okay, so turns out the property is 125 feet long, divided into 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's 50 feet wide, divided into 2 squares. So you find the area of 1 square, multiply it times the difference between the 2 squares here, divide that by 27, and then you're either cutting or you're filling based on the way we want it to end up. Okay, and then at the bottom, you talk about, are we going to need to bring in soil or take away soil? And then for extra credit, which I'm getting big points for extra credit here, tell me how much the whole thing would cost. You'd have to go back to the Unit 4 text and find that cost analysis sheet. And guys, call me on that. Like, I popped my phone number into the stream. If you don't know how to look at those sheets, give me a call when you got one in front of you and I'll help you figure it out. But that's for extra credit on this one. Don't forget to go back and rewatch these videos and make sure you understand what you were asked to do. And I hope you're well. Peace.